Students, in this lecture, we will define the term balance sheet. Now, what is a balance sheet? Balance sheet, as the name indicates, definitely is something that is related to your accounts, finances, assets, liabilities. So these are the terms which we will define in this lecture as well. Now, first coming towards the definition of the balance sheet. Balance sheet is a financial statement that is basically a report on your assets, liabilities, and the shareholder equity. Now, first thing you must be clear about is that this is balance sheet is basically a financial statement that is basically indicating you, that is giving you the overview of your assets, liabilities, and the shareholder equity. Now, what are these terms? How you will define assets? So what are the assets? Assets are basically the things or the items that have value. For example, when I talk about my assets of a pharmaceutical industry, it means my assets include my land, the land of my pharmaceutical industry, the building that I have in which I am working, the equipments which I am using for the manufacturing of my medicines, then the desk, lamps, light. So all these things are the these things are included in assets. Now, definitely, these are the things which are tangible. Now, intangible things can also be included in assets. For example, the patent of your pharmaceutical company. Now, the next term is the liabilities. Now, what is liability? Liability is opposite of that of asset. Now, what is liability? Liability is any obligation payable to an other person and other entity by the company. For example, the monthly lease payment on the real estate on your land which you have to pay, the monthly rent of the particular equipment, monthly rent of your building, or it may also include the bills that you have to pay. Now, what is shareholder equity? Now, shareholder equity will include both these terms. The first term will be assets and then the liabilities. You can say this is the subtract of the liabilities from all the asset. That is what you have at the end. That is the net worth that you have, the ultimate profit that you have. So this was all about the balance sheet, liability, assets, and the shareholder equity.